Let's take a look at this example. What I would do first, I would redraw the circuit first. So what we have? We have resistance R1. I have resistance R3. I have resistance R2. Now let's call this point A and this is my point B. My point A is connected with resistor R4 and R4 is going to point B. So I have this is my point A and this is my point B. So this is my R4, okay, which connects point A with point B, okay, and I have also R5, which is also connected to point A, okay, and point B. So I can draw it like this. This is R5. So now I believe this circuit looks much simpler than this one. Next, we're supposed to find the total resistance of these three resistors. Remember, if this is my ohm meter on this side, I have to start solving this problem from the other side. Okay, so I have three resistors. But please notice that these resistors have the same resistance, 3 kilo ohms. So in order to find resistance R3, 4, 5, I'm going to use the following formula. Simply R over number of resistors. Why? Because these resistors are in parallel and their values are exactly the same. So if R is equal 3 kilo ohms over 3, which is equal 1 kilo ohm. Now I can redraw the circuit. Okay, and my circuit is going to look like this right now. This is my R1, this is my R3, 4, 5, and this is my R2. Okay, so R total is equal R1 plus R3, 4, 5 plus R2. So R total is equal 1 kilo ohm. Okay, this is 1 kilo ohm plus R345 is equal 1 kilo ohm plus R2, which is equal 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so 1 kilo plus 1 kilo plus 1 kilo is equal 3 kilo ohms. And this is basically the value which is going to be measured by this ohm meter. And this is my solution.